Hello guys, good morning, good morning. Now after we have applied the oil wood stain mahogany, we'll now apply the sanding sealer. Okay, this man is silenced. It's really good in spray using airbrush. Okay, there you go. So every time we apply oil wood stain, we used to apply also sanding sealer. Okay, just to press all those wood stain. Okay. It will also give protection to it.
Sikat malay ang
There you go.
Sikat malay, gano'n ko magsina. Rayman! Oh! Nakasay ka! Kaya na-desip.
We'll do it 2 to 3 coats, okay? And then we'll apply color later on after the sanding sealer. Okay? Just to give protection to our ASP or wood design. Okay? I think that's it. Have a great day.